Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of videos on accent training. Let's now look at consonant sounds. These consonant sounds are divided into three: 8 voiceless consonants, 8 voiced consonants, and 8 other consonants. Let's look at the first pair of voiceless and voiced consonants. P is a voiceless consonant. B is a voiced consonant. Let's look at a few examples. Pay, pot, punish, paper, stopper, cap, lap. These are voiceless consonants. Now let's look at voiced consonant. B, boy, big, blood, rubber, cobbler, cab, rub. So this is the first pair of consonants. Please listen, pause and practice. Thank you. See you again.